Remember the frustration of missing that perfect shot due to slow autofocus or limited low-light performance. Nikon might have some solutions on the horizon. The buzz around the upcoming Nikon Z52 and Z9S is growing. These cameras promise to address common pain points for both amateur and professional photographers. While details are still under wraps, rumors suggest significant improvements in processing power and video capabilities. The most exciting feature, a potential leap in sensor technology that could change how we capture images in challenging conditions. Let's dive into what Nikon has in store for us. Let's start with its sensor, which is a key talking point. Nikon plans to use the same 20.9 megapixel DX format sensor from the original Z50. This decision has surprised many photographers. Fujifilm offers a 40 megapixel sensor, while Canon has a 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor. Nikon's choice seems conservative in comparison. The sensor isn't inadequate, but photographers expected more progress. This 20.9 megapixel sensor still produces good images, yet it limits options for cropping or large prints. Casual shooters might not mind, but those looking to upgrade from the original Z50 might find this underwhelming. Despite the sensor, the Z52 might offer some noteworthy improvements. It features an updated body design for better handling. This change matters when you're shooting for extended periods. Comfortable grips and well-placed buttons can significantly improve your shooting experience. The new X-Speed 7 processor is a major highlight. It enhances autofocus performance, improves low-light capabilities, and refines video recording. This processor upgrade could lead to faster burst shooting speeds, which helps when capturing action shots. The improved low-light performance might result in cleaner images at higher ISOs, giving you more flexibility in challenging lighting conditions. According to the rumor, the Z52 includes some practical improvements. It will likely have USB-C support, enabling faster data transfers and more convenient charging. This feature becomes essential once you have it, especially for photographers who edit their photos on the go. It allows for quicker transfer to a laptop or tablet, streamlining the workflow. However, the Z52 is expected to use the same NL25 battery as its predecessor. With the new processor and features, a longer-lasting battery would have been beneficial. Battery life is always a concern for mirrorless cameras, so this might be a consideration for some users. Investing in a spare battery might be necessary for long shooting sessions. The Z52 shapes up to be a solid option for casual shooters and vloggers, even if it's not a revolutionary upgrade. It's suitable for those who want an easy-to-use, portable camera that takes good photos and videos. The Z52 could be an excellent choice for people stepping up from smartphone photography or looking for a compact second camera. Its improved video features and vari-angle screen appeal to content creators, while the enhanced processor should provide better overall performance for still photography. It might not satisfy those wanting more megapixels, but it could meet the needs of many users who prioritize usability and portability over raw specifications. Moving to the professional realm, Nikon is developing the Z9S. It's likely to be an S version of the Z9, an improved version, rather than a complete overhaul. We're expecting a series of thoughtful improvements that could make a significant difference in real-world use. These upgrades might include an improved sensor with a better dynamic range, offering more flexibility in challenging lighting conditions. This could benefit landscape and wedding photographers who often work with high contrast scenes. The autofocus system, already strong in the Z9, might become even faster, helping capture fleeting moments. This improvement would be valuable for sports and wildlife photographers who need to track fast-moving subjects. The Z9S might also see an increase in its buffer capacity, allowing for longer burst shooting. This would help photographers who need to capture extended sequences of action without the camera slowing down. Additionally, we might see enhancements to the camera's AI-powered subject recognition system, making it more reliable across a wider range of subjects and scenarios. The video capabilities of the Z9S could see interesting developments. The Z9 already offers 8K video, but the Z9S might go further, we could see higher frame rates, which would be useful for slow motion footage. The ability to capture 4K slow motion at 120 frames per second or higher would open up new creative possibilities for filmmakers and content creators. Nikon might also improve heat management. This could allow for longer recording times without overheating issues. Better heat management would let videographers capture longer takes without worrying about the camera shutting down. This improvement would address a common concern with high-resolution video recording in many cameras. We might also see enhancements in the camera's RAW video capabilities. The Z9 already offers good options in this area, but the Z9S could push things further with higher bit rates or more efficient compression algorithms. These improvements would give video editors more flexibility in post-production, allowing for more extensive color grading and effects work. The Z9S is expected to arrive in late 2025. This timeline is typical for Nikon's flagship update cycle. It gives them time to refine features and ensure everything works smoothly. This schedule also allows Nikon to incorporate the latest technological advancements, helping the Z9S remain competitive in the rapidly evolving camera market. Nikon's approach with these two cameras reveals its market strategy. The Z52 aims to maintain a strong position in the mid-range market. It's designed for enthusiasts, travelers, and those who want quality without a high price tag. The Z9S, on the other hand, reinforces Nikon's commitment to the professional market. It's about improving what works and pushing boundaries further. This dual approach allows Nikon to cater to different segments of the market. The Z52 serves as an entry point into Nikon's mirrorless system, potentially attracting users who might later upgrade to higher-end models. Meanwhile, the Z9S ensures professional photographers have the tools they need to work at the highest levels of the industry. Nikon is trying to balance the needs of different photographers. They're not making dramatic changes, but taking a measured approach to refine their lineup for various users. This strategy might not be exciting, but it could be effective in the long run. This approach helps Nikon maintain brand loyalty while still attracting new users. By offering incremental but meaningful upgrades, they give existing users reasons to stay with the brand, while also presenting appealing options for those considering switching from other systems. It's a balance between innovation and familiarity, which Nikon seems to be managing carefully. These upcoming Nikon releases provide plenty to consider. The Z52, while not offering a major sensor upgrade, looks to be a solid improvement in many ways. Its enhanced processing power and new features make it an attractive option for enthusiasts and content creators. The Z9S is shaping up to be a refined tool for professionals, building on the already capable Z9. The reactions to these updates are mixed, which is common with new camera releases. Some users might feel disappointed by the lack of a sensor upgrade in the Z52, while others will appreciate the focus on usability and performance improvements. For professionals, the Z9S promises to be a worthwhile upgrade, even if it's not a complete redesign. So, that's all about the Nikon Z52 and Nikon Z9S. Do let us know what you think about these updates. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.